What's up, YouTubers, foodies, friends, family? You know who it is. If you don't, you should know. It's the Urban Chef. I just flew in a couple of hours ago from Phoenix here. Man, I love it up here. You don't even know where I'm at. I'm in the Oakland side of it, but of course, the Urban Chef I gotta go to the Bay Area, baby. I started culinary school there a long time ago. Any of you guys that call yourself foodies, if you've never been to San Francisco or East Oakland or Berkeley or any of that stuff, I don't know what to say. But anyway, I'm out here. You guys watch Eat Healthy, Live Longer, Promote World Peace. It's your boy, the Urban Chef. Hey, anyway, true story. A few hours ago, as soon as I was in the airport in Phoenix, now I'm not making this up, one of the guys up there, he said, "Aren't you the guy that goes da-da-da, da-da-da-da?" I was like, yep, thanks for watching me, man. I'm glad you're watching me. I need more subscribers. Anyway, he said, I got one for you, Urban Chef. I said, hit me with it. He said, okay. He said, what has a heart? You can eat it, but it doesn't beat. And I was like, what? He said, no, listen to me, Urban Chef. He said, what has a heart? You can eat, but it doesn't beat. And I was like, dude, first of all, I eat stuff from all over the place, but hearts are not on my list to eat. You know what I mean? It's too much other stuff. No disrespect, but I said, what is it that has a heart? You can eat and it doesn't beat. He said an artichoke heart. You get it? An artichoke heart. You guys send me all your corny, funny, not so funny riddles, jokes, all that. Man, I'm going to have some content. You know I'm going to Chinatown, baby. A long time ago, when I was in San Diego, I started the CCA, the Culinary Academy. That's another story. Anyway, it's the Urban Chef, man. You guys promote world peace. I'm out.